How to send emojis in TextNow. First of all, open the app on your device and log in with your account. From the home screen, tap on the message icon to open an existing conversation or start a new chat by entering the phone number or selecting a contact. Once the chat window is open, tap on the emoji icon located next to the text box. This will open the emoji keyboard where you can browse through different categories of emojis including smileys, animals, food, and more. Select the emoji you want to send and it will appear directly in the text box. You can add multiple emojis along with your text to make your message more fun and expressive. After typing your message and adding emojis, simply tap the send button and your message will be delivered instantly. Using emojis in TextNow is completely free and works seamlessly with all your messages, making it easy to add personality to your conversations. Now you know how to send emojis in TextNow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.